everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday at 4, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, I wanted to share my unboxing. This little baby here, want to see what I have in this box? Stay tuned and keep on watching. Hey y'all, this is the last video of the day. I didn't want to switch up and change my clothes, so I hope y'all don't mind. I've been filming videos back to back today because, like I said before, I like to pre-film. I got this in the mail the other day, and the crazy thing is I actually filmed all this stuff probably a day or two ago and didn't realize that my microphone wasn't plugged in. I was upset. Like, I was like, wow, 3 videos and none of the videos had sound. So I was like, really? And then I did it at night, and then I took all my makeup and everything off and realized it after the fact. So this time I had to make sure I was on point because I didn't want to do that again. You know, YouTube life, that's the first time that ever happened to me, because normally I don't touch the mic, but I was just trying to do something new and I ended up paying for it. So a lot of stuff is already open. So really quick, I just wanted to show you the accessories, and this is the Instax. What is it? The Instax. It's the Instax Mini number 9 camera with a carrying case, and it also has a strap. And it came with a pack of film, and like I said, since I already filmed this video, I had opened the film and everything, so I wouldn't be able to show you the packaging for the film. It had this little black thing on here, like it was attached to the film, because you know, like the Polaroids from back in the day, when you put the film in, one piece came out before the picture started coming out, and that's what that did. Here is the camera right here. It is in like a bluish color. What color? It doesn't, oh, ice blue. Is in the color ice blue. I got this for my daughter, but I just wanted to share an unboxing because we're not doing the whole Christmas tree with gifts, so I just wanted to share really quick. And it came with this little piece. I wasn't really sure how to use this yet, but I think it's supposed to help enhance the selfie part. I don't know. And with a Instax sticker, and then here's the paper for the film. It also came with batteries. Everything that it comes with, that's all you need to use the camera. Like, you don't have to go out and purchase anything before you start using it. It comes with your film, your batteries, and it also came with this wrist strap, so you can put it on your wrist and carry it and not lose it. It's really cute. Like, look how it sits in my hands. Like, it's just so cute. Here on the back, it tells you how many film right here in the back of your peek hole, so you can see the pictures. Oh wow, look how cute that is. Can't open this because if I open this, it'll ruin the film, but here you will just pull this little piece down. Ooh, I hope I didn't mess it up. I think I did. Let me see. Here you press this button here and it turns your camera on, and then here at the top it lights up to show you if you're in the house, outside. So here the house is lit because, again, I'm in the house taking a picture. Let me take a picture. So the picture comes out here at the top. Like, look how cute that is. I didn't mess it up, but here is your selfie mirror right here. Like, say if you want to take a picture, you don't have nobody to take a picture for you, you can use that selfie mirror, and I did use it when I did the first video. So here's the picture that came out. Hopefully you can see it. Cute. It was a little dark because that night when I filmed, it was kind of dark at night, and you're able to write on it. So I just wrote the date and my name at the top with a Sharpie. Say when the picture come out, you know, back in the day we used to fan it. They tell you not to fan it, just let it sit. Mess anything up. But I did, the numbers are a little off, So again, when you put the film in here, do not open the back because it will just destroy all your pictures. Yeah, and right here on the side is where you put your batteries at. It's 2 AA batteries. So yeah, I just thought this was really cute. Like, it just again changes the scenery according to where you're at. Like I said, it was lit on house because I'm in the house. You just push it in and it turns it off. To turn it back on, you just push that button and it opens it. Just thought this was a really cute gift. And if you're in the market for a cute girl gift, this, in my opinion, is something cute. You can get this anywhere. I got this off of I think QVC. I was looking to get one myself, so I may purchase one myself. I have it in the cart as we speak. It is the white one. I got her the teal blue. What is it? The blue, the ice blue. So I may end up getting the white because I don't want to share cameras. I want us to have our own, so you know, when we out and about, we can take pictures. This was just really cute. Like, this is just so cute and girly. I can sit it back here in my area as a what is it, as a display piece or something, because it's just so cute, y'all. I keep saying cute, but you know what I'm saying, it's cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and close it. Yeah, you guys, that was it. So I just wanted to show you the picture. So as you can see, the picture is trying to come through. You have to give it a few seconds for it to fully come through. You get the idea. Like, it gets darker. Like here, as you can see the difference. And on December the 1st, and this one was just taken down. So I'm not going to sit and let it fully develop because it may take a little bit. But I just wanted to share that really quick, you guys. It with filming for the week. So now I'm gonna go and start editing all these videos so I can go ahead and start pushing these videos out. If y'all want to, you know, get an updated review, or if I missed anything, let me know down in the comment section. You know, I got you, because this is a really cute camera, and I thought it would be a little bigger, but it's actually a perfect size, you know, for you to be able to carry it around. It can actually fit in my Speedy, it can fit in my Neverfull, it can fit in my LongChamps. Like, this can fit anywhere I go. If you like these types of videos, give this video a big thumbs up because it helps out my channel. So before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when I upload videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later.